I am out here with the SJRC F11 and I'm going to show you how you can fly it without using the app. Just in the ADI mode, and then you can switch back to the GPS mode if you want after you get it going. Okay, the first thing you want to do is start the quadcopter. So that's going. Then you want to power on the transmitter. Now you'll see these little lights flashing over here. Then you want to do the level calibration, which is up and out. Would be 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. The lights are going to flash again like that. And the little motor's going to actuate there too. Then the lights are going to slow down a little bit. They're not going to be blinking as fast. So then you want to disable the GPS module by pressing this button in here, holding it in until you see that green light go out. And when that goes out, you can arm the motors and take off. Simple as pie. No app needed. So if you forgot your phone, you just want to come out and fly around a little bit, you can do that without, without using any telephone or anything like that. Now it doesn't fly as good. Well, I wouldn't say as good. You got to work it a little bit more if you want to fly without the GPS. Okay. So that's basically how you do that. It's really easy. It's just like the Pro Mark. Now, if you notice, now watch, I'll turn the GPS back on. Now, I don't know how many satellites it has because I don't have the app turned on, okay? But even if there's 3 satellites, it's going to lock it in a little bit and keep it from drifting around. So I'm going to turn it on right now. Now watch, let's watch it drift. You see that? Lock that sucker right in there. Pulled it right back. So now it's in the GPS mode. You know, if you come out and fly at the same spot all the time, you don't have to do these calibrations, all the time if you don't want. Now we can start some video. Now here's the bad part, okay? Starting the video. You hear that? Okay, when you start the video with the transmitter, you got to hear beeping. Which, I'm telling you, the guy that thought this up, who thought this was a good idea, the engineer, should have his eyes gouged out with butcher knives. To make this not happen, you have to start the video from the app. Then it won't do the beeping. But if you fly it like this, if you don't have the phone or you don't want to use the phone and you want to record video, then you got to listen to this goddamn beeping. Which, to me, is total BS. Okay? FYI, this thing flies great, man. This is a real nice quadcopter here. Now, you're not going to get any of the features if you don't have the app on. You're not getting the follow me stuff and all of that, the waypoints, the follow me's, and the FPV. You're not going to get any of that without the app running. But at least you can just fly it around if you just feel like flying it around and listening to this mind-numbing beeping. So you can just do that. So, alright, well, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this, how to do this, because I know I'm going to get questions on it eventually, how this is done. Because I did with the Shadow drone, and this has the same software as that thing did. So alright, I'm going to shut that video off. I'll put the video in there. The video on this thing looks decent. I mean, it's decent, right? It's not, the greatest thing in the world. It's not Mavic Pro or Spark or anything like that, but it's good enough for the price point. I mean, I think I only paid $35 for this thing, because I don't have the 2K version. I just have the this has a little bit of a buggy landing feature. Yeah, I don't have the 2K version. I just have the 1080p version, so that was a little bit cheaper. But yeah, so if you want to fly it without the app, that's all you got to do. Just follow them steps I showed you. Real easy, man. All right, guys. Have a nice day.